These are all the new generation saplings that have come on their own in our garden. If you have the mother plants, then that fruits are eaten by birds and all, and then they propagate it here and there. So last year, actually here one bigger plant was there, but it is not to be seen this year. Maybe some bandicoot ate it or something. Anyway, this is last year seeds have fallen and or spread by birds naturally and appeared. This either cobra lily or that Amorphophallus, one of the two, and some 50 seedlings are there. They are now this much tall, so still small, and then other smaller ones are still emerging. There are a couple of them there, like that. So once you have mother plants, and if you don't digging is and this biodiversity gardening don't go together. Very careful selective digging has to be done. This is our small sacred grove in our garden. So in this lot of mulch has formed. Therefore, all these seeds, any seed that falls here will sprout. So this could be cobra lily, or this I have to wait and watch what is going to be. But lot of them have emerged all over there in that part. So having thick, rich, dark mulch on top layer, dry leaves and all is important. Don't clear it or burn it. It should be like that. And then any seed that drops here, ideal conditions are created for sprouting there. So you will get plenty of your own seedlings, and multiplication also becomes easy when all you have to do is you can remove some of them and replant somewhere else and spread it around the garden. So that is a little bit about this either Amorphophallus or Arisaema, I am not sure. And then this also is there this year. I am not sure which plant's seed it is. Either it is that Amorphophallus or Arisaema, one of the two, this one. Or maybe it is just starting. But we have to see about that.